Hello, it's me. I'm back again to update you on the crypto news today on the 31st of August in Australia here. We start today with some crazy Twitter stuff that's going on at the moment. This is Vitalik. If you guys know, he's one of the core contributors, one of like the figurehead of Ethereum, really the public figurehead. He posted it, someone posted a Twitter of him, and crypto Twitter is going crazy for him at the moment, right? Look at this. I wonder if you can tell what's happening. Something in this area here. People are saying he is super excited for the merge that's happening right now. People are saying, but this is crazy, right? Think about this. Just like 2 weeks ago, even 1 week ago, people were super upset about Ethereum and the narrative of going to proof of stake and how the proof of work is like the best thing to do. But proof of stake might be centralizing things way too much. And now no one in crypto Twitter cares about that. Look how quickly the narrative has changed from people caring about the actual consensus model and how people are going to be slashing Coinbase with their CBE. All of this stuff doesn't matter now. What we're looking at is Vitalik's dong. Look at this. People don't care. Crypto Twitter moves on so quickly. I just wanted to make a small commentary there because I'm not a fan of how the narrative changes so quickly. People don't care anymore. Let's go ahead and look at the news. I like to use Crypto Panic just to have a look at what's happening in the crypto ecosystem in one day, just to get a look. Let's see. Ethereum leads crypto majors in ultra positive sentiments. Cardano beats Bitcoin in brand intimacy, according to a new report. That is absolutely wrong. False. You go and ask anyone who's heard of Cardano, no one would have heard of Cardano. If you ask someone who's heard of Bitcoin, a lot of people have heard of Bitcoin. So leading in brand intimacy, I would really disagree there. Cardano joins 11 million investment round in Kenya. XRP validators start voting on NFT-related amendment. 5 bullish signs that prove NFTs aren't as dead as you think. Now, let's actually have a look at this. Let's see what it could mean. NFTs have taken a beating this year, but that doesn't mean activity has died altogether. This is actually true. We're seeing this in Solana NFTs. Ethereum OpenSea volumes have really decreased, but NFTs on Solana are still going strong. One of the major things was Utes. I don't know if you guys know Utes. It's the biggest kind of mint that's happening on Solana at the moment. They're actually having a lot of trouble. They're being censored. Their account has been suspended. Look at this, right? The Utes account is being suspended. Frank D. God's the major guy behind the Utes. He might be suspended very soon. So I don't know what's happening here. I don't know if Twitter themselves don't want Utes to be minting, or people are reporting Utes to be like the biggest scam. No idea, but it's still going strong, right? Let's have a look at this article and see what they said. By the way, did you catch Snoop Dogg and Snoop Dogg and Eminem making their new rap video freestyle? They were doing it as Bored Apes, which is crazy, right? We're starting to see the infiltration of these guys using their own icons. I'm sure they didn't buy these Bored Apes themselves. It was given to them as a marketing ploy. But hey, at the end, they made a video out of it. Isn't that a good thing? Pepe, thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe. He's dancing for your likes at the moment. So key takeaways from this article. NFTs have taken a battering in the bear market with floor prices tanking and trading volumes drying up. Yes, we can absolutely see this at the moment. Skeptics have argued that the technology is dead, but there are strong reasons to believe that the market is alive and well. This is actually false. The technology is not dead. The technology is still going. We're seeing innovation like XNFTs coming from the Solana ecosystem. We're seeing fractionalization. We're seeing serialization of NFTs. It is not dead at all. The technology is still going strong. Recent highlights in the space include Eminem and Snoop Dogg's Bored Ape themed VMA performance and Daigaku's rally to 17 ETH. Awesome. Pudgy Penguins might be coming back for a revival. Pudgy Penguins is one of the lower tier NFTs in Ethereum. I don't have one myself, but man, these Pudgy Penguins still have a great community around. They might be coming up later on. It's true. They're very cute. People love them. Now, ENS trading volume remains high, even though there was a big problem. The ENS domain, as not the domains themselves, the domain of the website couldn't be renewed because one guy got arrested. That ENS domain is supposed to be decentralized naming service, right? But who's going to visit your website if you can't actually get there because the guy couldn't renew the actual domain? This is crazy. There's so much narrative about being decentralized, getting shit so that no one can shut you down. But it's so easy to actually be shut down. It's ridiculous, right? All of this decentralization talk, I honestly think it's not going to work, right? We as humans always tend to go centralized. We always prefer centralization because things are always safer in numbers. And when there's numbers, people are going to come up to lead. You know, we started being tribalism. We started being tribal. You come together, you have your own huts, you make your villages, you make cities, and you make empires. Everything just starts getting centralized over time. Okay, we might be in a decentralized way now, which is the Wild West, but the Wild West isn't going to keep going for a long time, okay? Number 3, Meta expands NFTs to Facebook. Yes, Facebook has now started giving NFTs and you can use it. Instagram, you can use NFTs. I think TikTok is coming with NFTs very, very soon. And look at this. Now Meta lets you do NFTs. Despite ailing crypto market and its knock-on effect on fungibles, on non-fungibles, 2020 has been a good year for NFT adoption. In January, Twitter's hexagonal NFT profile pictures saw widespread adoption. Instagram rolled out NFTs in 100 countries. Man, it's starting to get there, right? You know, they're taking notice. And of course, we have Eminem and Snoop Dogg's performance at the VMAs. And I guess number 1 is Digidaiku's launch as a free mint hits 17th floor. Man, these free mints are. This is one of the newer narratives, right? Because traditionally, normally in the crypto NFT ecosystem, you pay a set amount for your NFT when you go and buy it from the creators, right? So you've given them, let's say, 1 ETH or whatever value. You've given them value. They're going to use that value to try and make something, okay? And usually they use that as their runway. They go and make products, whatever. Now, the narrative we're seeing now is that people are actually not charging for the NFT upfront because it is a free mint. They're saying, hey guys, we are a group of 5 or a group of 2. We're going to be making this product or this service. Come and be part of our ecosystem. Come and try our products. You don't have to pay anything at all. It is a free mint. You only have to pay Ethereum gas fees, which, you know, is a little bit, but it's not like you're paying for the NFT. You're paying for the service to use the network that the NFT is on. So what happens is that you don't pay anything for the NFT, they don't get any funds, and they still continue to build a product, but you're becoming part of the ecosystem, part of the product or the service. And as the product and service grows, because more people come to it, other people come and say, hey, this NFT is actually worth something. I will give you something for this NFT that you paid 0 for, right? Apart from gas fees. You paid 0 for it. I'm going to give you 1 ETH. I'm going to give you, in this case, 17 ETH when it hit the all-time high peak on Monday, which is crazy, right? Something that you got for free is now worth like $20,000. What the hell? Where did that come from? How does that happen, right? So, even that being, how can the technology be dead when this kind of stuff still happens? Not at all. Now, Iran could circumvent sanctions with new crypto law. Very interesting. We're seeing how companies and even countries themselves are starting to realize that America is not the good guy that they should be, right? So they're saying, no, we're going to accept crypto for all of our goods and services now. You can't sanction us because crypto, no one can stop anyone from sending crypto to another wallet, right? It is decentralized in that manner. Iran has legalized the use of cryptocurrency for imports. The law, which the Minister of Industry, Mine and Trade called comprehensive and detailed, includes new regulations surrounding crypto mining. The country has been a subject of severe sanctions since 1971 and was previously reliant on the US dollar and the euro for trade. This is super interesting. we're going to see lots of new countries start coming out. Maybe Russia even starting accepting Bitcoin or Ethereum for their gas, if not the ruble, right? They might want the ruble as well. Now, Mt. Gox creditors debunk rumors of an imminent BTC dump. Man, we saw this happening, right? The Mt. Gox hack narrative comes back every kind of 4 or 5 years of people saying, oh, all these coins are going to be given out and sold to the market. No, it's not. It's not ready. And then we had even Mt. Gox, we had the creditors come out onto Twitter and say, guys, this is totally false. We are the people giving the coins out, and we know we're not giving it out anytime soon because the software isn't ready. Man. Reddit co-founders VC fund to invest 177 million into crypto sector as everything is on sale. This is absolutely true. Everything right now is on sale. If you ever wanted to get in crypto, now is the best time. Trust. Not financial advice. Let's see. 3AC Ethereum address suddenly moved 10k ETH on exchange. Potential reasons. Don't know why. Ripple, Cardano, Iranian, and Frida Kahlo art finds permanent home in the metaverse. Oh, awesome. I want to see this. I want to see Frida Kahlo's art. Which art piece of Frida Kahlo, if you guys know her? Art, artifacts, and untold family stories from the world-renowned Mexican painter Frida Kahlo are being digitized and uploaded to the metaverse. Awesome. I want to see. Is it the red house? In the MetaVerse version of the red house. So it's not this is different, right? It's not a crypto or NFT or blockchain native artwork. It is a physical artwork that is now being transported into the digital realm. So this raises questions. Who owns the digital item and who owns the a physical item? So the physical item is owned by someone. The digital item can be traded or stolen. Does that infer rights onto the physical item? Not really, unless somehow they're able to actually combine the two. The first 20 years will be represented in this house. It sets up a lot of her struggles and advertises and adversities, but also her drive and passion for life. Between polio, coming of age, and major bus accident. Awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's 10 minutes. I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to try and cover news as much as I can every day, just to keep you guys updated. Also to keep me updated in crypto, because every day I come on, I wake up, I go to the internet, and I see what the crypto news is. And I think I can make a video at the same time as I'm discovering this. So that's it for now. Ciao.